Alright, we're about to take a tour on the bus.
Let's take a tour.
The wheels on the bus go round and round. Honk Yo Horn!
Honk Yo Horn!
We're here on a party bus.
Where is this from? Where are they from?
You want to do an interview? That'd be great. All right.
Let's
get back into this big living room up here.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Where are you
Interview
from?
time.
I'm from Tennessee, but we're actually based out of
Just record the interview. This is live. Coming to you live from Rashidi's
iPhone?
iPhone.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
So we're gonna interview the interview and
Yeah.
let's do this.
You want to go back here?
Wherever you
Take a
want.
picture in the bus.
Let's go in here.
Let's come on, Ashley. Let's take a picture in the bus.
Alright.
Let's do the interview. Hold on, let's take a picture. Get back here.
Let's do the interview. You might as well. Let's just do an interview.
Okay.
Who's doing the interview?
John?
Let's do it up front with the backdrop. Is that straight? Where do you want to be?
Wherever you want to do it.
Maybe out front?
Hold on.